colors spreading all around my room.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some features of Miui 12. I have been using Redmi K20 Pro since 1 week. I can show you some changelog settings which are given in Miui 12. You see this. The wallpapers have been updated. If we go to the settings, about phone, the UI looks good, neat and clean. Miui 12, you can see this in Redmi K20 Pro. Space occupied 15 GB. You can see the specs of my smartphone. System apps upgraded is given. It's updated. Security status, we can turn on a find device on directly. You go to the SIM cards. You see this. The UI looks fine. Redesigned. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and connection and sharing. You can cast, share, printing, portable hotspot, data. Always on display. This is the main feature. You can turn on these styles which you like. There are various styles given. This is an interesting feature. Display brightness level has been reduced, increased. Reading mode can be turned on. You can use dark mode. Yes, dark mode has been upgraded. You go to sound options have been given. Notifications, loading notifications, and home screen, poker launcher, fingerprint face unlock, and unlock with Bluetooth are the security options currently on this device. Battery percentage, you can turn on ultra battery saver. System apps, additional settings, full screen display, you can turn on full screen display, full screen gestures, quick ball has been upgraded. These are the special features which are given in Miui 12. Gaming turbo, Go to the settings. You can add a game and use gaming turbo. Video toolbox. Special features for video playback. Floating window option is given like this. Front camera settings for the top camera are added. Second space is been upgraded. If you want to use your phone like using in two devices, you can turn on second space. These are the settings which are given in Miui 12. Although the phone looks great, if I turn on the camera, camera UI is also being upgraded in this update. If you can see some of the pictures which are shot in Redmi K20 Pro, looks good. Portrait images has high quality in it. It has telephoto lens on the back. Hope it reaches to all users of MIUI 12. Some of the users didn't got MIUI 12. MI has been releasing slowly. Hope your device will get shortly.